Meta Smart Glasses not saving to gallery. Step 1. Check phone storage space. The most common reason for not saving is insufficient storage in your phone. Open your phone settings and check the available storage. If it's nearly full, free up space by deleting old apps, photos, or videos before trying to import again. Step 2. Verify MetaView app permissions. Your MetaView app needs permission to access your phone's photo gallery or storage. Go to your phone's app settings, find MetaView within permissions, and ensure that photos, media, or storage access is granted. Step 3. Ensure stable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Photos and videos transfer from your glasses to your phone. This requires a stable connection. Make sure your glasses are actively connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and for larger transfers, a strong Wi-Fi connection for both devices is ideal. Step 4. Restart devices and check for app firmware updates. Sometimes a simple refresh is all that's needed. Restart both your MetaSmart glasses and your smartphone. After restarting, open the MetaView app and check for any available updates for both the app itself and your glasses firmware. Updates often contain fixes for known transfer issues. Step 5. Reinstall MetaView app or factory reset glasses. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the MetaView app on your phone. This can clear any corrupted data. As a last resort, you might consider performing a factory reset on your Meta Smart glasses. Just a warning, this will delete all content and settings on your glasses, so ensure you've tried all other steps first.